and it's got this big obnoxious sticker on the side of it.
I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
Hey, fellow adventurers, you might know these people. The last time I saw them, the little one in the middle was still in mommy's belly. And so these guys have an Airstream, and it's got this big obnoxious sticker on the side of it.
We changed it.
Oh my God.
You'll have to check out our channel and see what we've done differently.
No one's gonna be able to know who you are.
What a shame.
How can I find you?
You can find us on YouTube now.
Under?
WanderLocal.
Wait, how do I wander local?
So
I just locally wander?
You don't wonder, you wander. WanderLocal.
Dude, I think we need to go have some fun.
we could do that.
I smell some alcohol in our future.
That sounds like a blast.
Sounds like a blast to me too.
He loves his milk stouts.
Oh yeah, I bet. So if you guys are following good people on YouTube, I'm telling you, these are the people that you want to wonder about with. What we're wondering about, I don't know, but we're wondering about something. I bet it has something to do with this one right here. So make sure that you follow them. Look us up on YouTube, Nuttin Adventure, Nuttin Gained, and they know we're all nuts already. So look us up. See you later. Peace out.